Welcome back to Thunderwheel, your ultimate stop for all things powerful and adventurous on four wheels. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive look at the bold and rugged Suzuki Jimny Conqueror Concept 2025, a compact SUV concept that redefines what it means to be adventure-ready straight from the factory. The Jimny Conqueror concept is a specialized variant of Suzuki's iconic Jimny, purpose-built to showcase its extreme off-road potential. While the standard Jimny is already known for its go-anywhere DNA, the Conqueror takes it several notches higher with factory-fitted off-road upgrades and an aggressive new design that's both eye-catching and functional. This concept was officially unveiled at the Bharat Mobility Expo 2025 in India, highlighting Suzuki's focus on innovation for the growing adventure vehicle market. Although the Conqueror concept is not a production model yet, India is expected to be one of the first countries to see large-scale demand if it enters production. With a rising interest in lifestyle SUVs, India's SUV market is booming, and the Jimny Conqueror is perfectly positioned to meet the desires of young adventurers and off-road enthusiasts. Globally, the Jimny brand is already popular in countries like Japan, Australia, and parts of Europe. And a more rugged variant like the Conqueror would only expand that footprint. What's truly exciting about the Jimny Conqueror concept is its popularity since its debut. It's gone viral across auto shows, forums, and social media platforms due to its bold look and purposeful design. Unlike many concepts, the Conqueror isn't just a showpiece. It reflects what real users want from a capable yet compact off-roader. Under the hood, the Conqueror carries the familiar 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine that powers the regular Jimny. With around 105 horsepower and 134 Nm of torque, it's paired with either a 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic gearbox. While these figures may not seem powerful at first glance, they're more than enough when combined with the Jimny's lightweight body and low-range gearing. This SUV isn't made for speed, it's made for terrain domination. In terms of fuel efficiency, the engine delivers around 14-16 km/h depending on driving conditions, which is quite respectable for a 4x4 with serious off-road components. Despite its aggressive exterior, it remains economical and reliable, perfect for long drives through rugged landscapes. Its capabilities are where the Conqueror really shines. With features like a roof rack, snorkel, bull bar, rock sliders, and all-terrain tires, it's built to tackle mud, sand, snow, and rocky trails with ease. The ground clearance and approach angles are improved thanks to lifted suspension and purposeful body design. Suzuki has maintained the ladder frame chassis and all-grip Pro 4WD system, ensuring that it's not just a stylish off-roader, but a functional one. The key features of the concept include unique dual-tone body paint, LED lighting, adventure gear mounts, and extra cladding for body protection. While Suzuki hasn't confirmed a price, if the Conqueror heads to production, it's expected to be priced slightly above the regular Jimny, potentially around $25,000 to $28,000. What makes the Suzuki Jimny Conqueror concept a strong selling point is its factory-ready adventure package. No aftermarket mods needed. It's ready to hit the trails right off the showroom floor. That convenience and ruggedness make it incredibly appealing to today's adventure seekers. Thanks for tuning in to Thunderwheel. If you love unique off-roaders that are born to explore, don't forget to like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more bold rides every week.